This is Lego Toy Story um, with another guns. This is not with the complete, and this and that alien from Sirius. Okay, the car is very good with a terrorist. This gun I found in my garden. This is a trooper with machine gun. He is very good. This is the magic with shotgun. This guy didn't have a hand because in a war he ai padna morakata. Okay, information. This is the trooper, the airborne. He has a parachute in the back, and this is not a this is not a trooper. He is a alien from Mars or Sirius. I don't know. He is very pretty. Now I show you. Wait a minute. Okay, this is here. He is very pretty. Now, this is his mask. Okay, this is Nusilka. When a trooper has hit, he go there like this. This is a mine search. He search for mines. Okay, this is the Lego Toy Story for 18 euro from Madrid in the mall. Buy them, have fun. This is Lego. It's very good. I will show you my Lego collection now. This is my Lego collection. If you see, this is from Lego Star Wars. This is from, I don't know. This is my Lego toys. This is Anakin Skywalker. Where is he? Where is he? I don't know where is he. This is Darth Maul from Lego Star Wars. This is another Lego. This is from Star Wars. This is from Lego Monster. And this is from Lego Star Wars. This is R2, G2 and R7. This is SSR. That was complete with the alien from Sirius. Look, yeah, very good. Okay, have fun and watch me again. Bye bye.